Hello YouTube, I'm gonna be playing Animal Jam and I have my sister beside me.
Hi.
She has a Google account and also an Animal Jam. Her username is Lamar2002 and her YouTube is Lamar202 space AJ. And I was like, I wanted to quit Animal Jam. I got too bored of it. So I just gave my brother the red top hat. Okay, loading.
What server are you gonna go in?
I don't know. Come on, spin, spin. I want a diamond.
10. Oh,
Damn it. And yeah, they made like a new update. You don't pick your server first. You get in Animal Jam. You have to go here and pick your server. Okay. And I have oh yeah, that's my brother. Yeah, they did. Oh yeah, here she is. I don't know what to do. Okay, sorry for the noises. Let's play in Soul Acid. Okay, whatever its name is. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what to play and
play Best Dressed?
No, I'm gonna play Swoopy Eagle.
Yeah, play that.
I know I'm playing it, Jazzy AJ. Okay, fly, my son, fly. Oh, damn it. Fly like a...
You can't even fly. Why are you saying fly?
Wait a minute.
You don't even have an
believe
eagle.
I can fly. Oops.
You farted.
What the heck, dude? Ah.
Just kidding.
Legend. Fly, fly, fly.
Just
Okay.
That's normal. Acting like a girl.
No, I wanna get a score. I didn't even get one. I'm new on this stupid game.
No, I
Play
can
Best
see you.
Dressed.
You never even got any high score.
I know. Try playing it once. What the heck? I didn't get 10.
Let me try.
Wow.
Oops.
Can't even fly.
Okay. I can even get one. Wait. Okay, what's wrong with that laptop? I think I need a mouse.
No.
Oh my god, I think I need a mouse. Wait, like one try. Oh
wow, let me try. Let me try.
One time.
Okay, let
Okay,
me try.
that's weird. My high score is 20 on my account.
Yeah. Oh, I was almost to get one. Come on. No.
I can't even get one score.
Yeah! Oh yeah. I just...
How did you die? I didn't do anything to die.
Why do I keep dying? I didn't do anything. No! Oh, I got 2. I'm in 20. Thank you.
But that's how much you played it.
10,
Not how much-
20.
Oh, shoot. I hate you. I hate you.
You're dead.
That's a rhythm.
Rhythm pattern.
Oh. Go down, go.
Da, da, da. Can
Okay.
you try another game?
No, I want... this video is about playing the game. Okay, I'm gonna play this turn and another turn and done. I'm done with it now. Okay, that's the last turn.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Oh, I got a score.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
Try it again. Oh.
Here. Oh, I have to get another score.
Overheat that score.
Okay. Never mind, guys. I'm gonna play it.
Do
It's
it,
not
do it.
fun at all.
Try
Just
another
making
game.
people mad. Okay,
How about try
I
best
swear
dressed?
that's the last turn. Last turn.
Oh, no.
Wow. Okay. See you, beautiful. Okay.
Could try best dressed. That's all.
No.
It's a better game.
Please subscribe and watch out more videos.